Today we are building the fastest XP farm for Minecraft. The farm gets you one level of XP in literally 1.5 seconds, meaning you can genuinely get to level 30 in 45 seconds of using it. And now I'll show you how to build it step by step. Start by digging a 3x3 square hole in the ground 2 layers deep. Make sure to replace all stone in here with dirt, otherwise the farm will break. Place a campfire in the middle and a water bucket in a corner. In the opposite corner, dig these 3 blocks and here add a water bucket with an armor stand in it. It should be directly diagonally from the main hole. Cover the water with 8 glass blocks and make sure to leave the center empty. On the other side, skip 1 block and dig a 3x2 hole in the ground. Dig the hole 3 layers deep in total and place a boat in the middle of it. Wait for nighttime and lure a zombie nearby. Hit it so it drops in the hole and make sure it sits in the boat. Cover up the hole so the zombie is safe from sunlight. As you see, any armadillos nearby will curl up in fear. This blocks them from taking damage almost completely. Nudge up to 20 armadillos into the hole. The more you have, the more XP you will get. Just don't go above 20, otherwise entity cramming will unalive them. Throw a potion of infestation at the armadillos and wait a couple minutes for silverfish to spawn. Hit the armor stand with a sword to quickly gain XP. As you can see, this farm lets you gather it very quickly.